Mmm. Yummy. Friends, do try this recipe. It's so delicious. For that we need Oreo biscuit. And first we will crush the Oreo. By magic. 1, 2, 3. Now we will fill the crushed Oreo into the glass. Now we will add milk into the glass. Pour it slowly because if there is more, then it will not make the Oreo ice cream. Now we will set the ice cream stick into the glass. And we will freeze it for 1 hour. We need melted chocolate and roasted cashew to coat our Oreo ice cream. Now we will coat our Oreo Choco Bar. Freeze it for 2 minutes. Our Oreo Choco Bar is ready. I'm too excited to eat it. Yummy, delicious. Yummy. Friends, do try this recipe. It's so delicious. Friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for notifications.